Here at Sawblade.com, we understand that you need results, not excuses. So stop settling for cheap porta-band blades that never last and upgrade to the MK Morse 24 TPI industrial porta-band blade. Whether you're a contractor or a do-it-yourself type, this durable blade is designed for high performance with a reinforced tooth backing to help reduce tooth stripping and a patented design to help minimize damaging vibrations. The 44 and 7/8 inch long porta-band blade will fit most standard models and will excel in cutting materials thinner than a 14 gauge. The 24 TPI blade cuts prime applications such as a rigid conduit for electrical, strut, threaded rod, and pipe. The teeth of the 24 TPI blade are designed with an alternating tooth pattern which improves blade life, reduces stress, and leaves a clean, workable finish. This American-made blade is engineered to reduce problematic vibrations that strip teeth and cause blade chatter. At Sawblade.com, we manufacture quality American bandsaw blades that are made to order, and we offer an extensive line of sawing products. We also sell circular blades, coolant, machines, and aftermarket parts, so you can think of Sawblade.com as your one-stop shop for all your sawing needs. Thanks for watching. And also please check out Sawblade.tv for more in-depth videos, product overviews, and tech tips to take your cutting game to the next level. I'm Celeste, product specialist at Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.